Hey guys, so today's conditioning workout is an AMRAP 12 of 5 push-ups, 10 toes to bar, and 15 step-ups. So you have 12 minutes to see how many rounds you can complete of those 3 movements. I'm thinking between maybe the 4 to 6 round range. So let's talk about these movements. Push-ups. So for the push-up, you're going to start on the ground, arms fully extended, feet together. You're going to be a nice, rigid, flat back. Your chest and your thighs and hips are going to lower down together until your chest touches the ground, and then you're going to push back up, keeping your back nice and flat and rigid, no worming. A scale for that would be a knee push-up. So same idea, you're starting on your knees, arms are fully extended, chest, hips, thigh, go down together till your chest touches the ground, press back up, keeping your core tight, keeping that midline nice and straight. If knee push-ups aren't going to work, you can always do an elevated knee push-up. So same idea, you're on your knees, but your arms are on something elevated, a bench, a chair, a step, whatever you have. Keeping that rigid, flat back, you're going to lower, again, chest, knees and thigh, that's all going to lower together until your chest touches whatever target your hands are at, and then you're going to press back up. For the toes to bar, you're going to be hanging. All right, so arms are on the bar, you're hanging neutral position. You're going to go between an arch and a hollow position. So your feet are going to start with your feet behind that bar, so you're in that arch position, then you're going to go forward into that hollow position, kind of pushing down on the bar, bringing your feet up. Feet are going to touch the bar in between your hands. Feet touch the bar together, and then you're going to come back down. Really thinking about using your hips, using that momentum in that arch to hollow position. A scale for toes to bar is going to be hanging knee raises. So again, you're using that bar, you're hanging from that position. Feet are going to go behind you, and then you're going to bring both knees up at the same time. Knees are going to raise just past your hip crease and come back down. You can do kipping of this, so you can use that arch to hollow position and go through that movement a little bit faster. Next scale, or if you don't have a bar or you're not able to do either of those, you can use a pole, post if you have it, heavy dumbbell, something that you're going to be able to hold on to, and you want your toes to be able to hit something, so the wall behind you or a post, pole, something like that. So you're going to grab the pole or the dumbbell, whatever you have, you're laying out nice and straight, flat, feet are together. You're going to raise your legs up in one fluid motion, get your hips up, and you're going to touch the pole or the wall behind you. Nice tight core, squeezing your glutes, and then you're going to lower back down. So legs come up above your head, up above your hands, touch the wall or the post, and then bring them back down. That's for toes to bar. Step ups. So you can use anything that you have for a step up. If you have a box, a bench, a chair, whatever you have around you. So you want to think you're starting nice and upright. You're going to lift that leg, step onto the object that you're going to use, press through the leg, bring the other leg to follow, and then you're going to stand up nice and tall. Hips are open. Step back down. You can alternate each step, or you can do 5 reps on one leg, 5 reps on the other, however you want to do that. A scale for that is you decide the height that you want to use. If you can't use a box or a chair or something like that, put a 25-pound plate down, a 45-pound plate, whatever you have, whatever height's going to be right for you. All right, guys, have fun with it.